Got a little friend over here visiting. Wow, man, he just charged me, I thought, but he just jumped into a hole. He keeps peeking his head out at me now. I don't know if you can see that. This park is a DIY park, and man, it's got some really cool stuff here. It's pretty intense. So they got this watermelon painted bowl right in the middle of the park, like the swimming pool style. It's pretty awesome. It's kind of steep, but man, it's fun. Yeah, this is a really cool skate park. If you're ever in the Kansas City area, you definitely got to stop because it is awesome. So this place has some really cool graffiti. You know, it doesn't have all the silly stuff you see at some skate parks. This has really awesome graffiti here, actually. All right, Royce, what do we got going on here? Oh, sick. Third time's a charm. That was a really fun time at Harrison Street DIY. We love coming to this place, man. It's so fun. The skaters that built this did a really good job. So if you ever get a chance and you're in Kansas City, then just go ahead and stop by here for sure, because it's worth it. Definitely. If you're anywhere close to Kansas City, just make the drive.
Ramps are steep. Yeah, very steep. Busting my thumb.
So yeah, we had a couple falls today, but we had fun either way. So till next time.